Hello my dear students, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, as you know, we are doing block 7, importance of plants. And today we will learn that we mainly depend on plants for food. Clear students? So here are some questions for you. Question is, which is the one thing that we get from plants that we use the most? Next one is, which uses of plants are very important? And last one is, which uses of plants are not very important to us? Let's discuss the answer. The food we get from plants is very important to us. We will die without food. It is impossible to live without food, क्योंकि food हमारे लिए बहुत necessary है ना. If we will not get food, we will die. Last one is, some uses of plants like perfumes are not very important because we can easily live without them. But we can't live without food. I hope you understand the answers. Now students, tell me what will happen if all the plants die one day? Why do we need plants? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Plants give us many things which we need to live. Most of the food we eat comes from plants. So most of the food we eat comes from what? Plants. We will die if there are no plants. Plants are very important for us and we need them. I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, how are plants useful for the nature? How are plants useful for the nature? Let's discuss the answer. Plants give us fresh air to breathe. They also give us what? Shade. Shade देते हैं ना plants हमें. And animals eat plants too. So plants are useful for animals too. I hope it is clear. Plants hold the soil with their roots and do not allow rain and wind to take soil away. So जो plants होते हैं वो soil को अपने root से पकड़ लेते हैं और rain और हवा को soil को लेके नहीं जाने देते हैं. They do not allow rain and wind to take soil away. I hope you understand that plants are very useful for us in different ways. And plants are help to prevent soil being washed away by rain in this way. I hope you understand the answer. Now students, please open your worksheet. As to, we need plants, and first one is complete the table. Uses of plants. First column is uses of plants, so you have to write uses of plants: wood to make furniture. And in the second column, what is written? We cannot live without it. If we cannot live without wood, so you will tick in this box. And next box is, we can live without it but life will be difficult. क्योंकि अगर wood नहीं होगी तो house बनाने में difficulty होगी ना, क्योंकि woods are helpful to make furniture and houses too. So we will tick in this box. And we can live without it. तो हम पूरी तरह से इसके बिना भी नहीं रह सकते क्योंकि लाइफ डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगी. So we can live without it but life will be difficult. In the next column you can write food and all the other things like fiber, oil, and all that you think that are things from. That are the things we get from plants. So we will write food, we cannot live without it. So we will tick here and you will write fiber, oil and other things. Next question is, why do we need plants? So you have to write your answer that why do we need plants? Because plants are very useful for us. We get many things like fiber, food, oil, wood and other things. Dear students, next question is, how do plants help to prevent soil being washed away by rain? Plants hold the soil with their roots and do not allow rain and wind to take the soil away. I hope it is clear to you all. Now students, please open your practice questions. You have to do question number 3. Name 5 things that are made from plants. So you have to write 5 things that are made from plants. And question number 4. Why do animals need plants? So why do animals need plants? Plants are their shelter and plants are the food of animals. So you will think and write your own answer. You have to do practice question number 3 and 4. Thank you students for watching this video.